I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the refill cartridge, which is a Parker type cartridge, in the Sierra type pen. First you unscrew the two sections, and the refill stays in the upper section, and there's a spring. Now it's missing here, so let me just tap this, and the spring does not come out. So I'll insert the refill there, and the spring fell out. There it is. Okay, so then the refill pulls out from the upper section. You take the new refill and install it, put the spring over the refill, and push it back together. Now, sometimes the refill gets hung up on the upper section and will not go together without extreme pressure, and that's not good. So what you need to do is hold it upright and jiggle it, and that's not working because the spring came off. There we go. We'll put the spring back on. And put the lower section on and twist them back together. Tighten it up till the refill comes out of the writing end, and tighten it up snugly. Don't over tighten it. And then check that the action works as it should. And that's how you replace the refill in the Sierra type pen.